Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create amazing fantasy art in Photoshop. So let's begin the tutorial. First we just take our Canva, just click on File, New, take document size, then press Create. So your document is, this one is your document page. So next I just select this elephant image, just click on Select and select Subject. So this one is selected, and next we just place this one in our new document. So just drag and drop this one, Control minus, and adjust this image. Okay, and another we just place some more images. So we are going to place more images. So this one is our second image, so I'm going to select this one by using rectangle marquee tool. So just select this area and simply place. So this one is placed. I placed this background behind this elephant, and go to mask layer, take brush, make opacity 50%. okay, make foreground color black, increase the size of your brush, and simply apply this areas. Okay, so this one is done, and next we add more images. So I just select this mountain image. So after selection, just take this one and drag and drop this one in your new document, place behind this grass. Okay, so this one is perfect, and next we add sky. So this one is our sky image. We just select this one and simply place this one in our new document, and place this one behind mountains. Okay, and next we I'm going to change the color of this mountain. So I just use color balance, click on clipping mask and start adjustment. Okay, select this layer, go to filter, select camera raw, and this time I'm going to decrease the highlight area, whiter area, make this one a little bit darker, yellow, and decrease the clarity. Okay, whiteness is perfect, then press OK. So we can see that the sky image and this mountain image is almost matched. And our next work, we apply or make changes on this grass image. So I just take mask layer, go to brush, remove these lines. So this one is done, and I just click on this mountain layer and go to filter and select this time blower and gaseous blower. Okay, then press OK, and next I just make little bit more changes on this grass image. So I just create clipping mask, adjust the color of this grass image. Okay, next our elephant image. So I just take a curve, clipping mask, decrease this color or decrease the light of this elephant color, and next this is our model. So I'm going to place this one in this portion. I think this one is good. This one is placed perfectly and perfect area for my model. Control plus, and remove all these edges. So I just select laser tool and just remove these edges. Click on select and deselect. So this one is completed. Next I select this grass image and select curves, and also decrease the color of this grass. Okay, and again I'm select this mountain image and select same curves and decrease this one. So add more images. So I just select this one more time and follow the steps. So our work is almost done and we are going to provide some amazing light effect. So I just make this rock a little bit darker. Okay, and mountain image, I'm going to make this one more blower, and I also blower this sky image. So just click on blower and gases blower, then press OK. So this one is done. And our next work, we just provide some light. So I just take this, select this elephant layer and take a blank layer, then just clipping mask, go to blending mode, select linear dodged, click on adjustment layer, solid color, and I select orange color. So this one is the color I choose. So just I click on OK, right click, blending option, hold Alt key and just apply this, then press OK. Click on mask layer, Control I, go to brush and just simply apply this area. Make foreground color white, make opacity 100% and apply. So my friend, our work is almost done and we are going to adjust the color of our work. So first we just merge all this work into a one layer. So just press shift Ctrl Alt plus E, right click, convert to smart object, go to filter, select camera raw filter and start adjustment. So my friend, the work is done. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Okay, see you soon with new tutorial. Goodbye.